All right, as we take a live look at the Dakota Magic weather cam down to the I-29 south near the South Dakota border. A lot of wind out there. Snow not as bad as it was about an hour ago. Reduced visibilities and some slippery conditions. Here in Fargo, no significant flakes. 18 degrees on the thermometer right now, and it feels like 2 above thanks to those winds that are ripping through at 18 miles per hour. They're straight out of the north. That's tugging in some mighty chilly air. Lower teens in Langdon, 16 for Cavalier and Jamestown Valley City at that same reading. 21 in Wahpeton and 22 in Sisseton. The warm spot Wadena at 23 this hour. Here's a look at the radar and legitimately what's set up. Colder, drier air moved in a little farther south than I thought, and we have that snow boundary setting up a little farther south. So a break from snowfall in Fargo. And the good news is if you're traveling out toward the cities, most of this snow staying south of the I-94 corridor. If you are driving south on I-29 between Sisseton and Watertown, there's a healthy band of snow there, so more slick conditions in that neck of the woods. Regionally speaking, as we take a look, there's rain down along the Nebraska border. No snow upwind from us, but there is a pool of mighty frigid air. Take a look at this. Single-digit readings this hour in Regina, and that north wind transporting that cold, dry air mass in place. So temperatures are on their way down, and this evening that's going to continue. Our north winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with a few gusts higher than that. We'll have temperatures in the single digits up north by the time we hit bedtime tonight. The winds stay strong down to the south. Heading through the overnight, actual air temperatures will dip below zero for a few of you in the northern valley. And wind chills will be between 5 and 15 below for many of us as we're heading outdoors. Notice the decreasing cloud coverage as well. So if you're heading out tomorrow morning, tailgating or on the road, expect very cold wind chills in the morning. As we go through midday, we stay sunny but not very warm. Temperatures stuck in the single digits in the Devil's Lake Basin, teens elsewhere, and that's where we'll stay for the afternoon. Nothing too much warmer than that, although the clearing trend will continue. In Fargo, expect 9 degrees, wind chills around 8 below zero. And then as we go through the mid-afternoon hours, we'll climb up into the middle teens at best. Your wind tomorrow not as gusty, but still a persistent west or northwesterly flow. 10 tomorrow afternoon in Langdon, 15 in Jamestown, Lakes Country mid-teens. So well over 24 hours of sub-zero temperatures will help ice thickness, but if you're planning on heading out on the ice, take warning. You want to check the thickness. All right, there's a little cattle drive going on earlier in the month near St. Michael's. Thanks, Bruce, for uploading. That's a chilly herd right there. Taking a look, there's a thundering herd tomorrow, and they will be heard because that air will be cold and brisk. We do warm up a pinch on Sunday, pushing temperatures back into the 20s, but that's still way below average for this time of the year. Now, a lot of people getting set to travel for the Thanksgiving holiday, and on Monday we have another chance of some light precipitation, but we stay pretty cool into Tuesday. And Tuesday, the Parade of Lights temperatures will be generally near 30 and then dipping into the 20s as the parade gets going. But 40s return for Wednesday and Thursday, the way things are looking right now. Not bad for travel conditions across the valley and beyond into the weekend beyond. It's still looking fairly quiet, maybe not as warm, however.
Good. Well, at least the travel, though, that's what we need to know.
Indeed, yes. All right, we all